Our tea factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how tea is processed step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
This marks the beginning of the tea processing journey.
Every cup of tea begins with a single leaf. But how are these perfect leaves picked?
Only the youngest leaves are selected. This careful method ensures the best flavor, aroma, and quality.
Each picker gathers several kilograms of leaves every day, using experience and precision.
Once collected, the fresh leaves are quickly transported to the factory to preserve freshness.
The rolling process gently breaks down the leaf cells, enhancing the flavor profile and releasing essential oils.
Every batch is refined and tested to achieve the perfect aroma and color. Every tea pack is carefully checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how tea is processed. Falcon, from fresh leaves to the perfect cup.
And that's how tea picking brings nature and human skill together. Like, share, and subscribe to explore more amazing production stories.